Hey guys, I'm going to be making a vlog for you to show you where I've been living this last month and a half. And so I'm just going to take a walk around the property and just show you the beautiful place that I've been living. And we're about 9 hours ahead of Pacific Standard Time. We're in the Southern Hemisphere, and we're just heading into summer, and it's about to get hot. And completely other side of the continent, world. Other side of the world, here in South Africa, and we're about 5 hours outside of Johannesburg. And I can't wait to show you where I've been living. All right, let's go.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Okay, so as you can see, I was having a little bit of trouble with the stabilizer that I'm using. Totally user error. I'm working on it. I'll get better. But just wanted to go through what you kind of saw. You saw the stable area, the place where they practice riding the horses, pastures, and you saw some of the school buildings. This school is preschool through grade 7, and we saw some of the buildings going up through this school, and then up through the passageway back up to the houses where the missionaries live. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses on the property. We call it the farm, and so that's kind of what you saw. And so yeah, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll be making more vlogs kind of going into like what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, and I think that'll be a different blog. But ways you can pray for me is just for safety, for direction, and that I can just really serve the need here. And thank you so much for your support, and I will be making more vlogs. Keep reminding me.